In this video, you will see three ways to add an element in a Python list and a bonus one which you might be always using after watching this video. Hi and a very good day to all. Python list is one of the most used data structures in any of a given Python project. Adding an element is like in a group of elephants, a female elephant giving birth to add a new member into their group. Lame example, right? I know, but that's how a list is being used. Elements gets added to make changes to the list. The very first method is append. I am in a VS Code editor. I created a list with elements 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, random list. The first method I told is append. So append method I will use to add 8 in the list. Let's run this and see the output. Here in the output, you can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8 is being added. So append always add element at the very end of a list. If we go back to our elephant example, the newborn elephant is the last added member of a family. Consider like that. Moving on to the next method is insert. Unlike append, which only can be added at the very end of a list, insert can be added anywhere in the list. For that, you have to provide the specific index. For example, I am providing 0. I want to add the element at the very beginning of the list. So, what I will do, I will specify the index and the value. Let's run it. You can see the output is 4 at the very end. Sorry, at the very beginning instead of 3, and 4 is added as a new element here. That's what we wanted, right? So insert does the job based on the index value you provide. It will insert the record, insert the value elements in the list. Moving on to the next one, which is extend. Extend is similar to append, but in this case where append has a limitation to add only one element at a time, extend can add multiple elements at a time. So if I run this one, I will get 780 at the very end. Both append and extend give you elements at the very end of the list, whereas insert cannot. Moving on to the fourth and final method is simple. It's the simple one, addition operator. So you can add just by assigning using an addition operator to a value, and it will add at the very end, like extend and append functions, extend and append methods. So here what you are seeing is list one, a new variable is holding list, the existing list lst plus the 9, a new element, and the output you can see here at the bottom, 9 is added at the very end. That's the way we want it, right? So the addition operator is the way you can add element at the very end of a list in the list. Back to the same example of elephant group, a new elephant coming from outside the group can be added into the existing group. That's how you can treat this, and then that's how you can treat addition operator. Now that Python is being used almost everywhere, new programmers should at least give a try to calm their curiosity. If you can start small, do it and keep improving on top of it. I share Python related things in my Instagram handle. Go and check it out. Link in the description. That will put you in a space of learning. Most people give up not because they lose interest over the time, but they lose because they could not able to create a sustainable environment for themselves. Thanks for sticking till the end. I hope you gained something from this video and I will see you in the next one.